How to add device in Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on TechTube, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact process on how you can add in new devices to your Amazon Prime subscription. Now you'll need to open up the website of primevideo.com and you wouldn't find this option within the application of Prime Video. So just open up your web browsers and search for primevideo.com. Once you're on the website, you just need to log into your Prime Video account and then tap on the profile icon on the top right and open up account and settings. You'll again need to log in to your account, type in your email address and the password. Now once you type in your details, you'll land on the accounts and setting page, and on the top you'll see a couple of options. You just swipe left and tap on your devices. Once you do, tap on register new device. Now a section will open up where you just need to enter in the registration code to be able to add in a new device. To get the registration code, you just follow these steps. Here it says where's my registration code. The first step is open up your Prime Video app on your TV or any device that you're using. The second step is register on the Prime website, and the third step is you'll see the registration code on the left side of the screen. Just copy and paste in the code right here and then tap on register device. The code will look something like this. You just type it in and tap on register device, and as easy as that, your new device will be registered on Amazon Prime or Prime Video. If this video was useful, be sure to subscribe and leave this video a like. If you want more content similar to this, make sure to turn on that notification. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Keep watching.